Hello Junior 2, it's nice to be with you today and I hope you are well. Let's start our lesson today which is about fact family. What is a fact families? Fact families have three numbers that create two addition problems and two subtraction problems. We have here three numbers 7, 10, 3. Let's start with addition problems. In addition problems, we start with 7 plus 3 equals 10. And then we switch these numbers. 3 plus 7 equals 10. But in subtraction problem, we start with the greatest number, which is 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7, and 10 minus 7 equals 3. Okay. Example number 1, we have here 2, 9, 7. Let's take 2 plus 7 equals 9. Second step, we switch the numbers. 7 plus 2 equals 9. And in subtraction, we start with the greatest number. 9 minus 2 equals 7. And take 9 minus 7 equals 2. And here we have three numbers, 3, 4, and 7. In addition problem, we write what? 3 plus 4 equals 7. Then we switch the two numbers. 4 plus 3 equals 7. But in subtraction problem, we start the greatest number, which is 7 minus 3 equals 4. And 7 minus 4 equals 3. We have here three numbers, 6, 2, 8. We start with 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Then we switch the two numbers and start with 2 plus 6 equals 8. But in subtraction problem, we start with the greatest number, which is 8 minus 2 equals 6. And 8 minus 6 equals 2. Here we have 5, 6, and 1. We start with 5 plus 1 equal 6. Then we switch the two numbers. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Now we start with the greatest number. 6 minus 5 equals 1, and 6 minus 1 equals 5. The second lesson, subtracting using number line. When we subtract here, we start with the greatest number. We have here 4 minus 2, so we go to the number line and circle number 4. After we circle 4, we count back 2. 1, 2, we reach 2. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now we use number line to subtract this number. At first we have 8 minus 1. We go to the number line and circle 8. And count back 1. Count 1, 1. We reach what? We reach 7. Number 2, we have 6 minus 3. At first, we circle the greatest number, which is what? Which is 6, on the number line, and count back 3. 1, 2, 3. We reach what? We reach 3. We have here 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7. At first, we go and circle 9 and count back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We reach what? We reach 2. 10 minus 6. At first, we circle 10 and count back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We reach what? We reach 4. 5 minus 2. Okay, we go to the number line and circle 5 and count back 2. 1, 2, we get 3. And 9 minus 4. At first, we go to the number line and circle 9. Then we count back what? Excellent, we count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reach what? We reach 5. And 4 minus 2, at first we circle 4, which is the greatest number here, and count back 2. 1, 2, we reach what? We reach 2. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7, at first we go to the number line and circle the greatest number, which is what? Which is 8, and count back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We reach what? We reach 1. 10 minus 3. At first we go to the what? The number line and circle the greatest number, which is 10, and count back 3. 1, 2, 3. We reach what? We reach 7. Excellent. The third lesson, solving subtracting story problems. Look at the first story. Ali has 100 LE and he went to a store to buy a video game that cost 183. How much more money does he need to buy this video game? Okay, I know that. How much more? More means what? More means minus. So we start with the greatest number minus the smaller number. 183 LE minus 100 LE. When we subtract, we start with ones minus ones, tens minus tens, 100 minus 100. Start with ones, 3 minus 0, 3, and 8 minus 0, 8, and 1 minus 1, 0. We have 83 LE. Nora had 99 LE and she gave her brother Adam 58 LE. How much money was left with her? Left means what? Excellent. Left means minus. So we start with what? The greater number, which is 99. LE minus 58 LE. Start with ones minus ones, then tens minus tens. 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8, 1, and 9 minus 5, 4, 41 LE. Okay. Rami had 98 LE and he gave 43 LE to his brother Sammy. How much does Rami have left? Left means what? Excellent. Means minus. So we start with what? 98 LE minus 43 LE. Okay. 8 minus 3, 8 minus 3, 5, and 9 minus 4, 5, 55 LE. The bakery made 85 cupcakes and he sold 64 of them. How much? How many cupcakes are left? Okay, so we subtract. Start with the greatest number, which is 85 minus 64 equals what? We start with ones. 5 minus 4 equals 1, and 8 minus 6 equals 2. 20, 21 what? Cup cakes. Sama has 57 marbles and her sister Rana has 32 marbles. How many more marbles does Sama have? How many more? Huh? More means what? More means minus. 57 minus 32. We start with 1. 7 minus 2 equals 5. And 5 minus 3 equals 2. 25 marbles.